Hi, my name is Professor Kirti Premadasa, and I'm a professor at University of Wisconsin-Platteville. So we did a really cool project recently called "Why" to find out why students do math majors. Well, if I math specials, as Sri Lankan students say. So if we had this question like 30 years ago, they would say because I love doing math problems. But now there are so many lucrative areas like actuarial sciences, financial engineering, which are going around. Okay, so we want to find out, why do students like to do math? Is it because of math related factors, or is it because of career related factors, and so on? All right, so let's get started. So this is our research group. Okay, it's a research group consisting of mathematicians from two countries, and this study was done in two countries. So what we did was we gave 10 factors to the students and asked them, okay, out of a scale from 1 to 7, which are the factors they think influence them most. So the factors were broken into three clusters: work related, math related, and others. So work related means like, okay, so let's give some examples. So sample for work related, there are many jobs available for math majors. So that could be a factor. There are many jobs and they are high in paying. That's another factor. Math related, you can ask, I enjoy problem solving. Okay, so or I enjoy connections. That's another factor. Or I like the exactness of mathematics. That's another factor. And then other factors are like there's a specific teacher which influenced me to do mathematics. So there are clusters and there are factors. Altogether 10 factors and 3 clusters. What did we find? We found something really, really cool. We found that across the two countries, across the board, whether it's United States or Sri Lanka, math major preferred as clusters the math related cluster more than the career related cluster or the other cluster. The math related cluster was preferred by the students more than the career or the other. So clusters. It's very nice. As far as factors are concerned, all the factors in the math related cluster were preferred by students of both countries over all the factors in the other two factors, career related and the other cluster, except for one factor, which is called a specific career. And we found that actually that was the only exception, and that was an exception because for Sri Lankan students, none of the factors in the math related cluster significantly influenced them over the specific career factor, which could have something to do with the fact that Sri Lanka is a developing country and students from day one are interested in the specific career that they are trying to get into. But other than that, right, the fact that math, the nature of math, the problem solving, the exactness, the connections influence them over all the other factors more or less was a really cool thing. So that is something really nice that we discovered from our research. And if you want to see our research, go read the paper. This is the paper. Thank you very much for watching.